Hi, my name is Carlos, and today we will be talking about tools in the cloud and why your business should use or at least consider them. When talking about tools in the cloud, I'm referring to tools or services like Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace. They are similar in terms of functionalities and capabilities. Also, they cover the type of tools that, in my opinion, are IT business essentials. Let me give you some examples. Email, calendar, and contact management, storage in the cloud, document sharing capabilities, productivity tools like word processing, spreadsheets, presentations, notes, and others, communications tools to handle voice, video, and chats, groups and teams management tools. Most or all of these tools are necessary regardless of the number of users that you may have in your business, from one single user to hundreds or thousands. Let's step back for a moment. In many cases, businesses start having an email service that might be associated or connected to their website, most of them provided by a web hosting provider. In general, these type of email services are very limited in the storage and also in the way how you can synchronize with your device. Most of the time, you can only use protocols like IMAP or POP3, which do not allow users to sync contacts and calendars. They sync emails only. Besides the email service, businesses also need to store files, documents in general, that end up being stored in users' local computer or in a file server connected to a local network in the office. This is one of the biggest limitations that businesses will have when they want to start having a hybrid working environment. Businesses may start using limited file storage in the cloud that might be part of their free email account, like a Gmail with Google Drive or Hotmail with OneDrive, or services like a Dropbox or iCloud. This could be the beginning of a nightmare. At this point, businesses will start having more and more limitations, and it can get even worse when businesses or users want to share and work on documents. Here is where a service with a set of tools in the cloud make all sense to any type of business. There are many benefits to using cloud-based tools like Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace for businesses. Cloud-based tools can be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection, which is particularly useful for remote teams or for employees who need to work from different locations. Cloud-based tools have built-in collaboration features, such as real-time co-authoring and the ability to share documents and files with team members. This makes it easier for teams to work together and stay on the same page. As businesses grow, they may need to add or remove users from their tools. Cloud-based tools are designed to be scalable, making it easier to add and remove users as needed. Cloud-based tools typically have robust security measures in place to protect your data. These include data encryption, secure servers, and regular security updates. And cloud-based tools can be more cost-effective than traditional software because you don't have to pay for expensive hardware or IT infrastructure. Let's now talk about the specific tools in the cloud that play a key role. In my experience, small and medium-sized businesses switch to services like a Google Workspace and Microsoft 365 when they realize about the limited email service they have. Email is an important, sometimes the most important driver for businesses to consider tools in the cloud. In many cases, businesses are not aware that email with their domain name is part of the service that they can have with Microsoft 365 or Google Workspace. So email represents one of the most evident benefits that businesses get when switching to Microsoft 365 or Google Workspace. For example, businesses will get larger mailbox storage, calendar and contact synchronization in all user devices, email, calendar, and contacts integration. This is just the beginning of a group of tools and services that will change the way how businesses operate. As part of the email service, businesses will be able to create and manage groups, teams, aliases, forwarders, and many other features in such a way that was not possible before with the traditional email services. With tools in the cloud, users are now able to share contacts and calendar, making their life much easier. By the way, this data is always safe in the cloud and easy to sync on any device. When a device is lost or broken, the new device will sync all the data in a few minutes. Once a business switches to Microsoft 365 or Google Workspace, the storage in the cloud is the rule. Users are provided with personal and business storage in the cloud. It means that they don't need to worry about the availability of their documents. Files are always available, regardless of their location. Users just need an internet connection and a device. Files can be accessed from a computer, a tablet, or even from your phone, and from anywhere, of course. When documents are in the cloud, the sharing capabilities are just right there. Sharing documents is a game changer. Imagine not being limited for the size of the document when you need to share it with anyone. Users are able to work on the same document at the same time from different locations. A document can be shared during a virtual meeting, and changes will be saved in real time. The owner of the files is able to manage the type of access that other users will have. It is all built in and is part of the service in the cloud. These type of capabilities are only possible when you are working in the cloud. Now, the other key component of these tools is communication. Of course, it starts with the email, but it goes much more beyond that. The exciting part is when you need voice and video communication. Users are able to create their own video conference, one-on-one or with multiple participants. Video meetings are not just about seeing each other's faces, which by the way is very important. Users can share and present their work in real time. The productivity tools, word processor, spreadsheet, and presentations are all integrated with the meeting tools. The meeting tools also provide sophisticated features like a background control, noise cancellations, closed caption, and subtitles with simultaneous translation. These are just some of the features that are becoming normal with tools in the cloud. On top of what we have already discussed, Microsoft and Google will help you protect identities, data, applications, and devices on premises, cloud, and mobile. You can be confident that you will count with some of the best security tools available in the market. And with them, you will also have access to effective administration tool that will allow the administrator to have control over your data and user devices. Overall, using cloud-based tools like Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace can help your business increase productivity, improve collaboration, and reduce costs. Here, I will leave you a series of 2 videos that will tell you about the difference between Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace. I hope you find value in this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any question or comment, please leave it here down below. And if you want to see more videos like this one, or want to finally easy again in the future, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you, and I hope to see you next time.